Yeah, just we'll see introduction to AWS. We'll see as part of today's session. Okay, so how we are working with the AWS and what are the major features are there, what are the major services are there. Okay, in AWS. Okay, so uh, first what we'll do, first we'll see, first we'll discuss what is cloud computing. We'll see as part of today's class. Yeah, we'll see what is cloud computing. Then what are the different cloud computing platforms are there today in the market. Okay, then we'll see like yeah, we'll discuss like what are the benefits are there with AWS and how we are working with AWS. Okay, before starting the sessions here, like as part of this course, I will provide you daily recorded sessions. I will provide you, okay, daily recordings. I will provide you. So basically, remember, like I will upload the recordings in one of our portal. Okay, you can log into the portal. You can watch the recordings. Okay, so whatever the recordings are the daily recordings plus whatever the notes I am typing in Notepad daily plus whatever the PPTs I am using as part of this course. Okay, those things I will upload in one portal. So in that portal, remember, you can access the recordings, everything, material, everything. Okay, yes. So in the same way, like yeah, as part of this course, remember, I will provide you soft copy materials, daily notes, whatever the notes I'm yeah, typing here, whatever the PPTs I'm using, those things I will share you in the portal itself. You can download this. Okay, we can download this. Generally, remember, like recordings, we can't download. They will be there till 6 months. You can watch for up to 6 months. Okay, but daily notes, everything we can download actually. In the same way, I will provide you the FAQs. Okay, frequently asked questions, interview questions, plus so I will try to provide you some exams also, means like some exams like 2 3 total 5 exams I will provide you on AWS. Each exam has 20 questions. Okay, you can write the exam there. Okay, write yeah, till 6 months, Siddharth. Okay, good evening, Sushil. Yeah, so these exams, yeah, generally for if you practice these exams, remember, so it will be easy for us to attend the interviews. Okay, you can attend the interviews easily with these exams. Okay, you will get more knowledge actually, as well as remember, even like you can plan to write the AWS exams also in future with these exams. Okay, so which are very very important for us. Then in the same way, I will provide my WhatsApp number later. Once you register, I will our team will provide you WhatsApp number, like so that you can send me if any doubts are there. You can contact me on the WhatsApp. Okay, if any doubts are there, let's say you are watching the video, you got some doubt while practicing, you have some doubts. Those things here, like you can share with me. So whenever I am free, I will connect your laptop. I will try to clear those doubts. Okay, while practicing, if you have some doubts. Right, right. Yes, Siddharth, voice is breaking. No, it should be good actually. My voice. I'm using cable network. For other people, it is clear. Praveen, other people don't. Um, one second. Please put mute. Please mute. Please mute yourself. It is better. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right. So I put you in mute actually. Yes. Yeah. It is clear. Voice is clear. Yeah, Pushpak, voice is clear now. Okay, yes, thank you very much. Okay, okay, yeah, let's see what we'll do. Like, fine now. Thank you, Siddharth. Yeah, just see, like, yeah, this is the like what we are going to provide you, as well as I will provide you soft copy material. Means basically, I will provide you books actually, PDF books. I will provide PDF books. Okay, on AWS Solution Architect book, I will provide you plus AWS developer. Okay, so as well as AWS cloud practitioner. Yeah, this is actually remember one of our startup exam actually basic exam. After that, generally we can write these exams actually, but this exam is not compulsory for us. Okay, directly we can write these exams if want. So as part of this course, remember, almost all these exams content I'm trying to cover almost on 80%. Okay, so so that you can yeah practice some extra. Anyhow, books I'm providing you. Just you can go through that daily with the books. Okay, then you can prepare for the exams. Why? Because already I have said here 5 exams I will provide you here, question answers. You can write the exam online, means in our portal, so that it will be easy for us to prepare. Yeah. Okay. Generally, see, like our course is there. We need 40 sessions are required for us. Means it will go up to 45 days. Okay, our course will go up to what 45 days. So if you want to complete in less time, you can attend 2 batches parallelly. Okay, 6 o'clock we have one batch where we are in the middle actually. So like we can attend one more batch also, like this batch. Actually, remember like yeah, so you can complete in less time if you attend 2 batches parallelly. But if you have already some basic knowledge is it, then it is better to attend. Okay, yes. So that is like yeah, daily 1 hour session will take actually. Okay, so it will go up to 40 to 45 days. Our course means it's not meaning that remember like no 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 need to pay parallelly you can attend. Okay, with the same fees. Sushil. Yeah. So okay. Yeah. So, like in general, say like just let's we will start with, then we will discuss some questions. Question answers. We'll see your doubts. I will discuss here at the end of the session. Okay. Let's say first we'll start the class. Then we'll see the doubts. I will take your doubts. Last 5 minutes we'll discuss the doubts. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, generally it is our course is there Monday to Saturday. Sunday is off actually. Our sessions are there Monday to Saturday. Niranjan. Okay, every day. Yeah, daily 1 hour session actually. We'll see that something more questions I will take. Parallelly, you can type the questions, but I will answer at the last. I will discuss. But from tomorrow onwards, once we start our regular class, yeah, you can ask the questions at the same time. I will answer immediately. Okay, no need to ask at the end. So, like apart from yeah experience, like I have like very good patience also. I will try to answer every question. No need to worry. Any simple doubt is there, you can ask me, or if you are unable to ask here in the group, you can send me WhatsApp message also. I will try to connect with you whenever I am free. So I will try to answer. Okay. Yes. No need to worry. Okay. Okay, let's say we'll start with our class. Right. So just said as part of today's class, we'll discuss here like we'll see as part of today's actually demo class it is. We'll see first one. We'll see what is cloud computing. We'll discuss. Just remember, I'm going from scratch actually. Maybe some people may have knowledge on cloud computing. No need to worry. Why? Because my job is to go with step by step. Okay, I will go with step by step. No need to worry, so that everyone should follow. Okay, right. We'll see what is cloud computing. We'll see. Okay, what are the benefits of cloud computing? Then what is AWS? Okay, Amazon Web Services. Generally, we know AWS is one of a yeah topmost cloud computing platform which is available today in the market. Okay, topmost cloud computing platform. Actually, so many cloud computing platforms are available today in the market, like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, okay, Oracle Cloud, Alibaba, IBM Cloud. So many cloud computing platforms are available today, but AWS is the topmost cloud computing platform today. We'll see AWS, we'll see what is AWS, how we are working with AWS. We'll see what are the different certifications are there on AWS. We'll discuss what are the different certifications or different exams are there on AWS. We'll see. Okay. Later, see all these concepts. We'll see. Yeah, one by one. Again, I will discuss in detail later. Okay. Let's say we'll start with what is cloud computing. We'll see. Basically, remember today, most of the we have seen in most of the scenarios, whenever you are working as a developer or DBA or programmer, any type of say tester, any resource member, any IT person today, yeah, we have to work with the cloud computing platforms. Sure. Even you are a Java developer, .NET developer, Oracle database admin, Oracle developer, compulsory remember today we need the cloud computing knowledge is required for us. Okay. See, so many definitions are there. Basically, remember like today we have two types of yeah computing platforms are there here today in general. One is on-premises computing environments are there, which is also called as local data centers. Local data centers which we are building with every client. And second one is here cloud computing platforms are there. Two types of computing platforms are there here today in the market. One is on premises is there. Second one is here cloud computing environments are there. On premises is nothing but what local data center. For example, tomorrow you want to set up one application, you want to upload some application, you want to make your application available to the users, for example, available to the client. Okay, so to make one user, yeah, to make the application available to your client, first what we'll do, we'll set up one local data center, right? So once the Java application is developed successfully, .NET application is developed successfully, next step is what? We have to create a local data center. After creating local data center at client location, let's say your client is from South Africa. At client location, you will create a local data center with necessary servers, okay, with softwares, with networking components, with antivirus, storage, everything. After creating a local data center, we'll deploy the application, we'll test it, then we'll make it available to our client. So, okay, one more client is there from yeah, Australia, same thing. You will create a local data center, deploy the application and make it available to the client. That is called here on-premises data center, which is a local data center, which is set up at the client location. Okay, but remember with this on-premises data centers, we have so many limitations are there today, so many problems are there today. That's why to overcome the problems of local data center, where we are going to build at client location, Okay, to overcome the limitations, now we have cloud computing platforms are available today. Yeah, so many limitations are there here with these on-premises environments or local data centers. I will share you these nodes also. No need to write the nodes parallelly. Whatever the PPTs I am showing and whatever the nodes I am showing, so that I will share you. Okay, no need to worry. I have my portal is there. In that portal, I will share you. Okay, so it-school.com. One portal is there, our portal. So here what I will do, I will share you the courses. Okay. If you go to my courses, you can see the courses actually. You can play the recordings as well as you can download the notes, everything. Okay. So later here, once you register, once you pay the fee, they will allow you to register in the portal. Once you log in, you can go to my courses. You can see here, see, for example, if you click on this, for example, any batch is there, our batch name will be displayed here. Okay, our batch is displayed here. If you click on this, okay, it will, here we can see course content. Here see, each section wise recordings are there. Okay, if you click on that, class notes is there, you can download by clicking here. This section wise module PPT is there, you can click here, you can download the PPT. Like you can watch the recordings also just by clicking on this left button. Suppose IAM is a lengthy module, like whatever the notes I am typing, I will upload daily. Okay, so as well as exercises, FAQs, everything I will upload here. See, you can go through these notes. Same thing I will provide you. Some exercises also I will provide you so that you can try by your own. Okay, some labs also I will provide you, step by step labs also here. You can download, you can start practicing. Okay, why? Because just it's not meaning that we are charging very less amount. Okay, just discuss just what is what, next, just complete the course and take another batch. That will not be there. Okay, in detail I am going through. So even here everything I am providing through the portal. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, so lab is there, you can download by clicking here, for example. Okay, so you can start practicing. Whatever I am showing practically in our class, those files I am uploading here for you to start practicing. Okay, the apps, yeah, recorded notes, as well as I will provide you. We have some ebooks also I will provide you so that you can download that ebooks. Okay, PDF books actually. Clear, right? Yes, yes. Yeah, that's why like yeah, you can yeah, thank you. That's it, like how we are supporting you. Just not teaching, okay, class over complete. Like even you can ping me on this WhatsApp number also. This is my WhatsApp number. In future, means if you get any questions, any doubts, any support, like job support or any placement support, something I will try to support you. Okay, no need to worry. And practice exams, already have said, as part of this course I will provide you 5 practice exams actually. So still I am building this website actually. Practice exams recently we are planning to provide. Okay, so still our people are uploading the exams actually. You can take the exam by registering. Once you register, okay, you can check yourselves here. Okay, like exams. Why? Because if you practice this, then for interview you can handle easily. Indirectly, what are the benefits are there? So you can handle the interview easily, as well as you will be ready for some of our AWS exams. Okay, like this here, like how we are providing this here, how we are supporting you. Okay, no need to worry. Any questions are there? Anything is there? We'll discuss. Okay, about this course. That is a very important. Actually, nobody will provide you like this step by step. Like okay, so how you can go with the step by step material like labs. Nobody will provide you with, even they are charging more amount also. Okay, yes. Okay, we'll continue. Okay, check here like we'll see. Uh, see, local data center understood, right? What is on-premises data center, which we are building at the client location actually. So that is what local data center, which we are creating at the client location. But say local data center, we have so many limitations are there with local data center. That's why to avoid those limitations, remember, compulsory we have to go with what? Cloud computing environments. Actually, I'm running one small company. Yeah, one of our client is the Ministry of Education and Higher Education. Recently, in the last December, I have deployed one of the application here with the client. So yeah, I was at client location. So yeah, this client is using, sir. Previously, we have local data center at client location, but right now we are going with the cloud. Actually, this is new. Just I am explaining the new application to the minister, education minister. Here, see. So that means what? Like today's year, most of the clients are going with the cloud computing platforms, especially in Africa. Remember, we don't have resources like electricity cost is very high. Okay, proper resources are not there to maintain local data center. Okay, so we'll discuss that Vivek Singh. Okay, questions we'll discuss. We will continue. So that's remember, like to avoid this local data center limitations here. One is if you want to build a local data center, its capital expenditure is huge actually. Means we have to invest lakhs of rupees to purchase the servers, to purchase the operating system license, to purchase archive license, to purchase antivirus software. Like different, capital expenditure is very huge here to build the local data center. In the same way, operational expenditure is also more. Operational means electricity charges are there, monthly salaries are there, rents are there. Operational expenditure is also very high. So that's why, in the same way, what about security problems are there here? Sometimes our hackers can hack your local data center. Okay. The same way, one more major problem is there, time consuming, right? Suppose let's say tomorrow, your client is saying that. Your client is saying that my application should be ready within 15 days, within one month. But see, if you are building the local data center, to build the local data center itself, it takes 3 months time, right? Previously, our government of India has launched Arogya Setu app, right? Last year. So, if let's say my company is saying that I will make the Arogya Setu app ready after 1 year, then who will go with that setup, right? Right. That's why remember, like today's year, most of the clients are going. They need immediately. They want to make their applications ready. Okay, ready to work with. Time consuming. In the same way, like scalability problems are there. Okay, so in the same way, downtime related issues are there. Multiple servers we have to maintain. So these are the various problems are there if you are maintaining a local data centers here. Local data center. That is the reason to overcome various limitations of local data center. Today, remember, we are preferring cloud computing platforms. See, cloud computing is nothing but remember, Amazon has built the data centers across the globe. See, everywhere Amazon has built the data centers already. That's why just directly we can place our applications in that data center. We can make it available to the client. See, right? No need to build the data center. No need to invest huge money. Okay. Tomorrow, let's say you want to launch your own app, for example. If you are building your local data center in Mumbai or Chennai somewhere, its cost is very huge. Means initially you still your business is not started, you have to invest 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 50 lakhs. Tomorrow if the business is not going to run, then problem is there. See, such type of problems we can avoid now. Yeah, cloud computing is nothing but what? Ready-made data centers are available for us. We can say like this, ready-made data centers. Means what? You are not purchasing the car, just you are hiring the car. Okay, through Ola or Uber or something. See, no need to purchase the car, no need to pay regular EMIs. Okay, no need to pay insurance, no need to go with maintenance, no need to go with repairs. Just hire and use what you want. So like I said, same concept is there with cloud computing. We have to understand. Just very simple here. Cloud computing is nothing but what? It is a collection of data centers, okay, across globe, across the globe. Okay, through these data centers, through this, through this data centers, remember, data centers, Amazon or Microsoft or Google is providing the services. Services means what? It may be servers or operating systems or databases or network components or storage. Anything here. Anything is provided in the form of service. Means what? Tomorrow you want one server of 32 GB RAM, 64 GB RAM server you want. So no need to purchase the server. Just create a account in AWS. Okay, create a account. Immediately create the server with what capacity you want. See it. Why? Because already data centers are there across the globe. You can create the servers here where you want. Okay, you want to create the server in Mumbai. You want to create the server in Australia. Anywhere we can create here. Very simple. Suppose let's say tomorrow you don't want this server. See, depends on usage. Here, see, in cloud computing depends on usage only. We have to pay. No need to pay any fixed amount. Okay, depends on usage we are paying. Let's say I'm using this server daily for 5 hours, daily for 10 hours, for example. So 10 hours you are using. Let's say per hour cost is 20 rupees, for example. You are paying what? 200, 250 you are paying. See, we are not investing lakhs of rupees to build the local data center with air conditioning, with physical security, with network security, with firewalls, networking. See, all these are not required. Everything is available in the cloud data center. Okay, just create a account, start creating whatever the setup you want. We can create and make it immediately available to our clients. That is, see, what is cloud computing? We have to understand. If I go to yeah, aws.amazon.com, see here, aws.amazon.com. Here, see, like you can create a account here. See, if I say my account, already have created my account with my name, for example. See, you can create what I will show you how to create the account also. Just remember, like after creating the account, we can go to any region. Here we have regions are there. Here means already we have data centers are there across the globe. AWS infrastructure, global infrastructure. If you see here, see data centers are there across the globe here. Okay, anywhere we can place our resources actually. Anywhere we can place the resources. We can start working with those resources. See here, already we have discussed, no? Like one of a study is there, this Gartner is there. According to their study, right now, sir, AWS is leading in the markets here. AWS is at the top most here. Okay, then Azure is there, Microsoft Azure is there, then we have Google. Like this, there different cloud providers are there, but AWS is there in the top most location position. Why? Because it was introduced first time in the year 2006, approximately, almost also 15 years back. See, Amazon has introduced this cloud computing concepts first in the market. That's why they are there at the top position. Okay. After that, in 2012, Microsoft has come up with their Microsoft Azure. Okay, one of a cloud computing platform. But Amazon is the cloud computing platform which was introduced first time in the market in the year 2006. That's why still it is leading in the markets here. And you see, like already we have discussed, no, cloud computing is nothing but what? Providing the computing resources through global network of data centers. Just remember, almost all everywhere we have data centers are there. So regions are there actually. Regions. Here in India, we have in Mumbai one region is there. Just remember, region is a collection of data centers. We'll see in the architecture later. Region is a collection of what? Data centers. Check here in Mumbai, we have three availability zones are there. One availability zone is equal to one data center, physical data center. Why? Because even one data center is collapsed, no problem. All the servers, databases, all are there in another data center also. Immediately, users can start working. That's remember, almost also throughout the globe here, regions are there. So we can place here, like client is from Australia, we can place in Sydney regions here. Okay, we can create the servers here, we can deploy the Java applications here, we can deploy .NET applications, okay, Oracle databases here. We can start working with here. We can make the application available to the users here who are there in Australia. Like this is like first data center we have established here in North Virginia. Here see we have in 2006 here, first time. Here we have six availability zones are there here. Means six data centers are there. Physical data centers we have to understand. Okay, we have some other concepts are there. Local zones. We have learned something later. We'll see. Just remember, one region is a collection of data centers. Our Mumbai region was established here in 2016. Right now, Amazon is building one new region in Hyderabad here. Okay, minimum we have two, three data centers actually. Actually, it is huge infrastructure, very huge cost. Okay, for them to establish. That's remember whenever you connect to the AWS console is there here. Once you create a free account, we can create. I will show you. Okay, after creating a account we can go to management console, then we can place our applications databases here in the required regions here. After connecting, I will show you in detail later. Okay, no need to worry, step by step we'll go. Just today complete overall overview I have to discuss. That's why I am going here and there. Don't worry, we'll go step by step. Okay, in detail. Here see, once I log into management console, I can go to which region I want. I can create the servers. I can deploy the databases. I can deploy the Java application. I can deploy my Oracle databases. Anything here by selecting the region. Clear, right? Right now I am in Mumbai regions here. Means whenever I create a server here, it is created in Mumbai region. Whenever I create a database here, it is created here in Mumbai region, for example. Clear, right? What is cloud computing is clear for all people. You can use the chat panel. You can type if any questions are there here. One question was there. Vivek Singh ji is asking one question. AWS and DevOps both are interlinked. Actually, remember, like DevOps tools are there in AWS. Okay, we'll work with that tools. AWS is a platform. The DevOps tools are there. Okay, that we are working in the AWS platform. Yes. Yeah, I think it is clear, right, for all people, what is cloud computing? Just one point. If any questions are there, please type in the questions chat panel. Sandeep is asking, I have one question for AWS and Azure, which one is better? Just now we have seen, Sandeep, AWS is leading in the market, we have seen, according to an a study in 2021, July 2021, AWS is at the top. But I am not saying that Microsoft Azure has less features. It has also very good features, but it is there in the second positions here. Okay, Microsoft Azure is there in second position. Yeah, that's right. Like depends on the requirement you can go with, but see purely if you want to work as a cloud engineer, cloud engineer today in the organization, maybe they will ask one, two cloud platforms. Means you should have AWS knowledge plus Azure knowledge like this here. Okay, if you want to work as a cloud engineer today in the market. But we can start with AWS actually. Later, if you want, you can update very easily other cloud platforms. That is not a problem. Okay, right. Yeah, we'll cover here mostly developer part plus admin part also here. Okay, no need to worry. We'll discuss here scenarios. We'll discuss here Vivekji. Uh, yeah, scenarios like how to implement this scenario for this client like this. Separately, project is not there. We'll see separate project later after the course. Okay. No, no, solution architecture we'll see here, plus developer Siddharth. Cloud practitioner is very basic. Already I have said I will provide you that book also so that you can see also, you can go through also. Okay, Siddharth, yes. Okay, yeah, that is, I think just we got the idea, basic idea, what is cloud computing, and all these problems we can overcome here, like with cloud computing. Any background, civil engineer or mechanical, any background, you can go with this cloud platform, AWS. Any cloud platform is same actually, but AWS has today more clients. Yeah, better to entry becomes easy for us. Very fastly we'll get the job on AWS. I'm not commenting that Azure don't have jobs market, but AWS today most of the clients are using AWS. That's why remember it is easy for us to enter into the organization. Okay, and if you see the concepts we can see in our DurgaSoft website, you can see what concepts we are going to discuss. We'll start with introduction, we'll see as part of this course. Then we'll see IAM, which is a security concept actually in AWS. Then we'll work with the storage. Somebody don't have Linux basics. I will try to discuss Linux basics 2-3 hours. Then sir, AWS compute services are there where we can create the machines like Windows Server, Linux Server, servers we can create. Route 53 is there, which is a DNS service we'll see here. Then we'll work with the databases. Why? Because for every application, it may be Java application, .NET application, backend database is compulsory, right? How to deploy the databases, how to work with the databases, we'll see. Then we'll see VPC, we'll see virtual private cloud, which is a networking concept. AWS security, other options we'll see. Some application services, we'll see some introduction to these, we'll discuss. Means what? Actually, we are discussing the platform, AWS cloud computing platform we are discussing here. After this, you can learn easily like AWS DevOps tools or especially specialty courses are there only on databases, only on security. Those courses are DevOps. You can go with the other courses here after this course. Okay, like yeah. So here's mostly what are the regular concepts, what are the regular services we need in most of the other courses. Those services we'll see here in detail. But remember, this course I am not going to discuss just basics, what is what for other courses. Okay, you can learn this, you can learn other courses also easily. But you can work on AWS separately. Okay, you can yeah, you can join as a AWS cloud engineer with this course. I'm not going to discuss just what is what to learn for other courses. It is not our aim. You can learn other courses easily in detail. I'm going here. Plus, you can work on AWS also. You can do the job also on AWS with this course, with these concepts actually. Okay, right. So that is like what is cloud computing. We have seen cloud computing is nothing but what? It is a collection of data centers through which the AWS or Amazon is providing the all the computing resources. Okay, so many benefits are there with cloud computing. We'll see what are the benefits are there. Then I will show you just how easily we can create the server. Just 5-10 minutes I will take class. Okay, some more time. No need to worry. Yeah, we can work with different options are there. We'll see. We can graphically, we can work with management console. We can work with yeah, CLI, SDK. So many options are there. Yeah, we'll see the deployments. We'll see. Yeah, please go through the contents once again. If any confusion is there, course contents before joining. Okay, what we are going to cover, it will be very clear. Okay, so don't get any confusion before paying the fees. Check the course contents. Those things we'll see in detail. Okay, so check here we have seen two types of cloud computing environments we have seen. What is two types of computing platforms we have seen on premises and cloud computing. See, so many definitions are there for cloud computing. Sir, first we'll see normal definition, then I will show you official definition. Okay, check here. Cloud computing is delivery of computing services over the internet. See, okay, cloud computing provides here servers, storage, everything here, whatever we need to deploy our applications, to deploy our databases, to maintain your data. So all those are here to provide security. All the components are there here in the cloud data centers in the form of services. Check here, service means what? Depends on usage only, we have to pay, right? That's why Amazon is saying this is similar to your electricity bill. Means what? Depends on usage, monthly we are paying, right? Yes. Check your companies offering these computing services are called what? Cloud providers. So typically charges are there based on usage only. No need to pay any fixed amount. Okay, monthly there is no fixed amount. Check your various benefits are there. Hardware, right? No need to purchase the hardware. No need to waste the money, right? Hardware is readily available. Servers, everything is readily available in the cloud data center. Just create a account to start using. Okay. So the same way, global presence here. Already we have seen cloud data centers are there across the globe. Cloud data centers are there across the globe, so we can place our resources anywhere in the any data centers here. Means what? Let's say your application usage is there in Australia, we have to place in Australia only. Okay, your client is from UK and the target users are also there in UK, we have to put the applications in the UK data center. Okay, we can select here any data center, no need of any approval, separate permissions are not required. On demand, we have seen at any time we can create the servers, we can deploy the databases, no need to take the approval from the Microsoft or from Amazon. Scalability is a very, very important feature of cloud computing. So today we have 32 GB RAM server is there. Today, let's say Amazon is saying we have sale between 25 to 30. At that time, I want to increase the RAM to 128 GB. We can increase here. After 5 days, we can take it back to 32 GB. Scale up, scale down. Okay, we can do here at any time without affecting the users. Very, very important features here of cloud computing. This is also called as elasticity. Elasticity means what? Generally, an elastic means what? Which we can stretch, we can take it back to its original size, right? Same thing, very, very important feature of cloud computing here. Broad network access, we can access from anywhere, okay? And pay as you use here. You see, charges are there here, typically depends on usage only, okay? No need to pay any fixed charges. Depends on usage only we are going to pay. Okay, right. Hybrid compatibility. Even remember, let's say one client is there. Already with the client, we have some local data center is there with the client, for example. Even the local data center, yeah, storage servers we can use here with the cloud data center. Means we can merge also local data center with cloud data center servers. We can merge also. We can make it hybrid. We'll see in detail. Performance benefits are there here. Means what? Like Amazon is saying, they have built the connectivity between the data centers, between the regions with GBPS networks here, very high speed network. In the same way, for storage purpose, we have different options are there, like HDDs are there, plus SSDs are there, solid state drive. Today, maybe you have seen in our laptops also, we are getting what? SSDs. Okay, yeah. Those these are see like various benefits are there. We have official definition is there. Later we'll see again in tomorrow's class. Before that's it, let's say I will connect to the console. We'll see what are the like how we can work with the AWS. Just for demo purpose, I will show you. Okay. Before that, say like AWS certifications are there. Say different certifications are there in AWS. Check here. Already we have seen one is beginner is there, which is cloud practitioner. Okay. After that, associate level are there, professional levels are there. Associate levels are there, say, like solution architect is there, developer is there, sysops is there. Okay. Already I told I have to discuss like I will provide you this and this materials I will provide you so that you can go through it. Okay. Then we have specialty certificates are the security specialist databases. Only you want to work with databases, advanced networks in data analytics, machine learning. Separate certifications are there here. Okay. Yeah. Directly Vivek Singh ji, you can work on this AWS as a cloud engineer. AWS cloud engineer, we can work actually. No need of any other courses, other knowledge. Okay. Yeah. This course, I think, Sandeep, we have discussed at the beginning. It will go up to 40 to 45 days. See, what are the prices are there? If you click on that, you can see how much cost it is. One 30 minutes actually, $150 here. You can see the cost, everything. How many questions are there? Okay, multiple choices, multiple responses, questions are there. Okay, you can see that exam related things. That's what I will do. I will already have said I will try to add in our website some of the exams just for practice purpose. You can practice. These are daily classes actually. Okay, Sandeep, daily Monday to Saturday in general. Okay. That's like just we have seen what is Amazon, we have seen what is cloud computing. First point, I think it is clear. Second point is what is the AWS? We have seen Amazon Web Services is what one of the topmost cloud computing platform where all the computing resources are readily available through a global network of data centers. Yeah, database specialty also you can go with Niranjan if you are working with databases. Okay, there also yeah we need to discuss some basic things about other services, but on databases in detail. Okay, yeah, yes, 70% is a passing mark. You can see here. Okay, 65 questions are there for 1,000, 70% passing marks. AWS solution architect we can write directly. No need to write a yeah, practitioner. We can write directly any exam we can write. There is no hierarchy. But only condition we have seen here. If you want to write DevOps exam, you have to finish any one of these. Either SysOps administrator or developer, anyone you have to finish first. Then you can write DevOps engineer exam. Only this is the condition is there here. Okay, right. Right. Okay. Just here, I have we have seen already. We can create a free account. I will show you again from scratch. After creating a free account, here we can log in. Once we log in into AWS management console, here we can work with all the services. Here we can work with all the services. Check here. Let's say I want to create one Windows server. Check here, very easy it is, just for demo purpose. I will here we have one service is there EC2 Elastic Cloud Compute. Okay, one service is there. By using this EC2, remember we can create the machines here. We can say launch instance. Instance is nothing but one server. Sir, which server you want to create? It is asking. Sir, Linux server or Windows server. Which server you want to create? It is asking. Let's say I want to create a Windows server. I am saying Windows. I am saying search. Check here. So many ready-made templates are available here. Generally, while practicing, which is eligible for free tier, use those only. Okay. Yeah, scenarios will see Vivek, not exactly one particular project. Scenarios will see every concept. Overall content, Sandeep, you can see in DurgaSoft website. Okay, no need to worry. Already I've shown you the video. You can see. Check it. Let's say I'm creating one Windows server just to show you demo how easy it is to create the servers, everything in cloud computing. Just here I'm going with same T2 micro free eligible. We can set the uh, we can configure here how many machines you want to create. It is asking. We can create a public IP address through public IP. Remember, we can take remote desktop of this machine. We can add the storage, how much storage you want for this machine, which type of storage. Generally, SSD is there, a solid state drive, which is very fast actually. We can configure here RDP, we can open. Okay, from anywhere we can access this machine, or if I say only my IP, only from my IP I can access this machine. Okay, custom we can define here IPs, we can define here from which IP you can access this machine for security purpose. By default anywhere is there, we can take RTP of this server, review and launch here. Actually, we can say here like for passwords here, by default in this machine, username is administrator. For password, we have to will generate one key. It will generate actually. By using this key, we can encrypt the password. We can connect to this servers here. Very simple, sir. Within 1-2 minutes, our server will be ready. Within 1-2 minutes, remember, our server will be ready for us. Okay. So once the server is ready, we can connect to the server. We can start working with the servers here. Very simple, right? If you want to maintain one server, then you have to purchase, right? Then you have to install Windows. Very lengthy process. In case of what on-premises environment, but in cloud platforms, remember it is very easy, very fast actually. Okay. So to create anything, we can create very easily. We can manage very easily, sir, with high security. Check your server is running. It is a refresh again. Status check is going on. Once this status check is completed, then I can take remote desktop of this server. We can start working with it. Means one dedicated server I am creating here. Okay. AP South means in Mumbai data center. I am creating this server. We have to understand. In Mumbai data center, I am working right now. Whatever the servers, databases, applications I am deploying, it is deployed here. We can change also. We have to know in which region we have to deploy. We can deploy. Okay. So once the initialization is done, we can take like we have to understand here like various services are there here. Like we have like storage services are there, robotic. Okay. Yeah, front end and mobile applications related machine learning. RDS is there, one of a database service where we can deploy our databases, Oracle database, MySQL database, anything like this. Like migration services are there to migrate from on-premises to uh, uh, or cloud data centers. If you want to migrate to only databases, we have database migration service, security services are there, IoT service. Everything is available here. Network services, media services for live streaming, gaming related. Almost all the services are available here. See, we can create any type of application, we can maintain, we can deploy any type of application here. The simple collection of services are there. Refresh again. Yeah, my machine is ready. See, see within 1-2 minutes we have created the machines. We can connect to the machine by taking RTP. Default user is their administrator. All these we'll see in detail. Just I am trying to show you how easy it is to work in what cloud platforms, means how easily we can create the resources that we have to understand. All these step by step will go in detail from tomorrow's class onwards. Don't get any confusion. Check it like get password. To get the password, the key which I have generated now, that key if I provide, it will decrypt the password. We can use this password to take the remote desktop of this server. Check a remote desktop I am taking. Administrator, this is the password I have copied here. Okay. See how easily we can create the servers here. Server is ready, sir. Within 2-3 minutes, server is ready. Now you can work with this server from anywhere. You can increase the hard disk space. You can increase the RAM. Okay, so you can deploy. Uh, you can install WebLogic server, IIS server, which servers you want. So you can work with your. This is your dedicated server actually. Our own dedicated server. At any time we can shut down this server, we can restart this server. Okay, we can deploy what type of applications we need to deploy here. Our own server it is here, right? So That's why here like how fastly we can create the resources we have to understand. Okay, all this we'll see in detail. Don't worry. Server details it is showing in which location. In availability zone means data center actually. In every availability in region we have one A, one B, one C like this here, three data centers in general. Okay, I can shut down the server from here. Generally, remember if we shut down the servers, remember no charges are there. If the server is running, then only charges are there. Clear, right? Yes, yes. Okay, this is how we can connect to AWS, how we can start working with. Okay, just I think it is clear. AWS is nothing but what? It is a cloud computing platform where we have data centers are there across the globe. In any data center, you can create the servers, you can deploy the applications, you can deploy the databases, we can make them ready for our clients. Okay. Yes, that is like what is AWS. Let's see, we'll summarize today's session. We'll continue again tomorrow once again. Check here as part of, yeah, shutdown means we can start the machine again. One question is there. Yeah, generally say like if I shut down the uh, machine, we can restart again. Now it is stop actually. We can start again. If I say terminate means remember we are deleting this machine. Delete. Again we have to create fresh. Okay, yeah, we'll see this. Yeah, uh, Behraji. Yeah, okay, shutdowning means we can start again. Terminate means deleting actually. Machine is deleted permanently. We'll see that in detail. Just remember, like we'll summarize the concepts here, what we have seen as part of today's class. Summary we'll see just 1 minute. We'll continue our class, complete our class here. First one here, like we have seen cloud computing. We have seen cloud computing is the delivery of uh, providing computing resources. Computing resources means servers, hard disk, everything, storage, everything over a global network of data centers. You see, common definition is there. And Amazon, we have seen AWS is Amazon Web Services is topmost cloud computing platform. Cloud computing platform. Just remember to start working with AWS. To start working with AWS, how we can work? First, we'll create a free tier account. We can create free account. It will work for 1 year actually. No charges are there. Free tier account is it. So after creating free tier account, then we'll go to aws.console.amazon.com. By using this console here, we can connect to the console and we can start working graphically. As well as remember, we can work remember using AWS CLI is there. We'll see that command line interface is there. Through commands also we can work with. As well as we have AWS provides all the APIs and SDK software development kits. By using this software development kit, programmatically we can create the servers, we can create the databases here through Python or Java, .NET, any programs. But remember, most of the times we'll work with the console, which is easy to work with. Okay? Yes, yes. Then we have different certifications are there. So we can write first starting with cloud practitioner is there, basic one. Then we have professional, then associate, then specialty certifications are there in AWS. Okay, so this is just we have seen what is what we have seen as part of today's class. Again, I will start from tomorrow with official definition of cloud computing. We'll see generally in cloud computing we have like cloud computing characteristics are there, but generally whatever the services are there in cloud computing, those services are divided into three major categories: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. These we'll discuss in detail. Why? Because in the exams they will ask the questions, in certifications also questions are there. We'll discuss these in detail. After that, we'll jump to AWS again. Okay, I will show you how to create an account, how to start working with AWS from scratch. Just today for demo purpose, I have shown you how to create a server. Right. Let's see, we'll conclude the session. If any further questions are there, I will take the questions. If you don't have questions, you can log out if you want, your choice. What will be the charges? One question is there. Mohan Patil is asking. Charges means depends on how much RAM, how many CPUs you are using. Charges are displayed actually while creating the machine. I will show you. Okay. One question is there, for recorded videos separate money we have to pay? No need. Recorded videos also comes, recorded videos, soft copy materials, all those comes under with same fees actually. There are no extra charges. Okay. Yes. Any other questions are there? CISOP certifications, if you want to go with yeah, here we are covering almost on 65%, 70%, 30% extra you have to read. I will provide you, I will share you the yeah, PDF book actually. You can go through that book. Okay, no need to worry. Okay. Hmm. Any other doubts? Thank you very much. Any other doubts, please? Exam pattern you can see there by clicking on that exam. Okay, I have shown you the link. I have put the link also where to see exam details, everything link I have put here. Okay, so you can go through that. I will share you this PPT, everything as part of our course. Okay, right. Okay, okay then. Thank you very much. We'll continue again tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, which type of solution architect or developer is okay for us? Siva. Okay. Tomorrow's class, same link actually, Balakrishna. Same link. Okay, once the link is changed, I will update. Actually, for demos, we'll have same link actually. Till we pay the fees, same link. Okay, for three classes, free demos are there for three classes. We can attend later. If interested people, they will continue actually. Okay. Yes. Yes, Niranjan, thank you very much. I will go through in detail, step by step. No need to worry. Okay. I will share you the materials recordings. No need to worry. Okay. We'll connect again in tomorrow's class. Okay. Same time, 9 p.m. IST. Maybe we are planning to merge early 8 o'clock. One class is there. We are planning to merge this batch to 8 p.m. IST actually. So after four classes, after 4 5 classes, maybe next week we'll be there with the 8 p.m. batch. Okay. Yes, that I will discuss again tomorrow. Okay. Before starting payment, I will discuss once again. We are going to merge this batch into 8 p.m. 8 to 9. Okay. Right. Okay. Thank you very much. Tomorrow we'll continue. Okay. Take care and bye.